How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays, I showcase a particular single-section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Daniel Rustic Ridge. I am back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and yes, I am back with a fan favorite model by the name of the Daniel. For many of you that love this particular floor plan that we featured a year ago, you asked that original contemporary style, could we make it with a touch of rustic aesthetic? And we've done just that. Took us a little while, but we have it here today. So for anyone that is currently in the market for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, coming in at 1,156 square feet, and you would like an 8-foot porch, this Daniel Rustic Ridge may be the one for you. And this home is going to have a garlic clove exterior base. It is also going to have a chaparral accent going along the fascia of the home. You may notice the 6x6 cedar posts that complement that accent. And then to top it all off, we have the copper metal roof. Now I know what you want. You want to know the price. The price of this Daniel Rustic Ridge today is coming in at $133K. $133,000. You'll get everything it is you see today besides furniture and decor. And of course, you come to Recreational Resort Cottages because you love the cottage aesthetic. And this Daniel has just that, where you see that we have the tower dormer on the outside with the plethora of windows there in the living area, giving it tons of curb appeal when you pull up to the home. Speaking of pull up, I need you to walk up to the 8-foot front porch so you see how much exterior living space you have to work with. These cedar posts give it a grandeur feel as soon as you enter. And then of course, as you come up, you're going to have 2 exterior can lights on each side. It is pre-prepped and wired and braced for a ceiling fan or light fixture of your choice. Have a window here to the left, 36-inch blinds and glass door as your front door access. But of course, the outside is one thing. The reason why you see Mr. Tiny and want to come to Recreational Resort Cottages is because of the interior. So go ahead and follow me inside this Daniel Rustic Ridge. And now we're here on the interior of the Daniel Rustic Ridge. And you know how we do it. We're going to do it the right way as soon as you enter this beautiful home. With it coming in at 18 feet of interior width, you are going to have tons of space to accommodate things like a 76-inch entertainment center with a 50-inch LED electric fireplace with the logs on the interior just to bring that rustic aesthetic together. We have cabinetry on each side, a big open space there, works great for decor, etc. And then you have the choice of mounting your TV on the wall, or you can place it here on top of your entertainment center. We've trimmed out your windows right here. As you'll see, 3 transoms up above. We have those trimmed in the pine accent, as well as your interior trim on your doors, windows, baseboards are all going to be the pine accent also. You get a great look of this front wall here. Tons of space there, which leads directly into the living room side of the home, where you'll see we placed a super huge sectional in here just to show you how much space you have to accommodate when you go to an 18-foot wide 2-bedroom cottage. You'll see here easily we could have done a different arrangement with a couch, a love seat, a couple of recliners. You have all of those options, but what I love is the fact that you do have the natural light coming in with the 3 picture windows, as well as the 3 transoms up above that. Leads to the vaulted ceiling, where you'll see here centered, we have the pine accented beam with your 3-blade ceiling fan going down the center of that, which leads directly from the open concept into your kitchen, where I love this rustic ridge because you have the large island here centered. We'll have the countertop, which has the hues of the hickory tones in it, which also bring out some of the lighter tan colors of your flooring going throughout the entire home. So we have the hard surface flooring going throughout, the birdcage pendant lights hanging down from the ceiling. Also, even the legs of the island are finished out in the wood accent with the outlets on each side. And the Daniel makes a great floor plan for anybody looking to downsize into a 2-bedroom, because not only do you have the space to accommodate guests as well as family members right here at your island, but you also have enough space here in the designated dining section for you to accommodate as well. You see that we have a small bistro table here. You could even go even larger with a table, and we have the continued picture windows here, doubles here in this section. So again, you're getting views throughout the entire property. We haven't even talked about the hutch. The hutch with the hickory cabinetry. You'll see that there's a 6-door pantry right there to the left. Open countertop here centered, leads all the way to the end. All of this cabinetry down low, black bar pulls on everything. Large cabinets up top leading directly into your double open face shelves with the open brackets right here finished out in black. A light here, USB ports, we have it all right here in this Daniel Rustic Ridge. All of this countertop space, and let's go ahead and take it to the front side of this huge island, because backside is going to be perfect for you to place your stools. Front side is going to be perfect for the storage. You have the 4 drawers up top, 4 cabinets down below, and then the trash can compartment. So convenient right there inside of your island. On the, what I call the kitchen side or the appliance side of the home, you'll see that you're going to have the 1-basin stainless farm sink, detachable sprayer, window there up above. Went a little different with the backsplash, where it's very similar to a white subway tile. However, it's larger, and you will even see very so slightly a hint of the tan pattern to, of course, bring out your countertop and your hickory cabinets. You will have a full-size dishwasher in here, smooth top oven, finished out in stainless steel with your microwave up above that. 4-drawer bank for your silverware and utensils. Also, the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door. Everything's so convenient. And speaking of convenience, why not put a convenient desk space in here as well? That's a big factor that plenty of clients keep saying, Mr. Tiny, keep adding the desk space. And you know, we're going to keep it going as long as you're asking for it. So tons of storage there. But what I love is convenience right here to the desk space, but even more so convenient because this is a 2-bathroom home, with the first guest bathroom being right here, where you'll see the linen sitting here on your countertop. Tons of storage space. We've even wrapped your mirror here, finished out in the pine. Double linen right here up above your toilet with the double doors, of course, with the adjustable shelving, finished out in hickory. And because it is the guest bathroom, if it's your repeat time to the channel and you're a supporter, you know why. In the guest bathroom, we love to put the tub shower combo. So that way it accommodates people of all ages, whether you got the young kids that love to take a bath, or need to take a bath, I should say. They may not love it, but they have the area to do so. And you also have the shower for those who would rather not take a bath. Wood trimmed transom right there up above that, just to add some spice to your life. So we do have that as well. And then we'll keep it moving right along here in this Daniel Rustic Ridge. We'll come here, and what's behind this door? Is that bedroom number 2? So yes, this is going to be your guest bedroom right here, where you'll see that you have the window here to the side, bringing in that natural light, vaulted ceilings going throughout. And then even here in your closet, great space there. It is a partial walk-in closet in there for you, so tons of storage space there. This room, you can accommodate a queen-size bed in here. That's about where I would max it out. I wouldn't go any larger than that, but it's your home. You can do what you want to with it. You don't have to listen to Mr. Tiny all the time. And then you have the side door here. As we come on down the hall, you will also see that the door here is going to lead directly into an additional coat closet, where you can use this as, again, a coat area, or in my opinion, I would think it would work very well for a broom closet, something like that, you do have the space here for a stackable wash machine and dryer. This is an option where some clients are saying, Mr. Tiny, I don't need a side-by-side. I just need a simple stackable to put in. Well, we've done it right here in the Daniel. And before you go to the comments and say anything, what about Mr. Tiny? I actually want the side-by-side. And you see this right here where we just showed you that broom closet there, then you eliminate that. That's gone, and then you have the side-by-side. Mr. Tiny's giving you options. Speaking of options, you also have a 6-door storage pantry right here as well. Works great, and just having dead space right there, we utilize it accordingly. Electrical panel box is going to be right here. Of course, we hid that perfectly behind a hickory cabinet, and then when you come into your bedroom, look at how much room you do have in this bedroom space. Any size bed you need to accommodate, you can do so. And what I love is you have flexible options on where your bed placement can be. Whether you want to put it on this wall, in between both of your windows, or in my opinion, this would be my bed wall right here where you have the most space. You have room for nightstands on each side. And if you put your TV right here on this wall, you have all the space to do so. Also look at the vaulted ceiling in here. Again, it feels so much more open in this particular model. You have your built-in 4-drawer dresser, space up above for a TV, double barn doors on each side with the wood accent there. What'd you say? It is real wood. Yes, we got that as well. And then as we come right in here, you will have the shelf and rod right there for your convenience. You can see how much storage space you do have in that closet. Barn door rolls right back into place. You don't have to worry about the swing into your bedroom. What I love also is the fact that you do have an ensuite bathroom leading directly from the bedroom right here, where you will have your sink, your drawer bank, wood trimmed mirror, linen cabinet there up above your toilet. And then in the shower, you have the sliding glass door. We didn't do the tub shower in this model. Sliding glass door, the rain shower head. You can see you just get in perfectly. Y'all that are subscribed like you should be already know my height, so you know how much height you'd have in the shower to work with. Also, the assist bar right here, just because it comes in handy. Have the transom window there, bringing in some natural light. And then you have space over here where another linen cabinet is placed. Again, great for your towels, your additional soaps and things like that you want to put out of the way. You have the opportunity to do so. And again, this is a great model. To me, it's one of the most thoughtful floor plans for anyone looking for a mid-size home. Something that they're wanting a 2-bedroom, they're wanting to downsize. Great for anyone who's wanting to sell their big home and they're in retirement, the kids are out of the house, and they want a space to call home that is super affordable, and they could potentially sell the big home and pay for this in cash. I have clients do it every week. Also, as we come back to the main area, look how it opens back up for you right here in this Daniel Rustic Ridge. A phenomenal home, again, coming in at 18 foot wide, 68 foot long, and that's going to include the 8-foot front porch, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, 1,156 square feet. And again, I have it on sale today for $133K, $133,000. Get everything that you saw today besides furniture and decor. And with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video tour. If you did, what I need you to do is hit that thumbs up button, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, you may see a new feature saying hype the video. That helps channels like ours make it through the algorithm. So if you see that hype button that YouTube is pushing right now, make sure to hit the hype for us. And then also leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of this Daniel Rustic Ridge in the rustic aesthetic that you asked for. Let me know how it turned out so we can keep things like this coming in the future. And if you're interested in reaching out to me directly about purchasing the Daniel Rustic Ridge, you can do so right now on TikTok or Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Daniel Rustic Ridge as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my TikTok or Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.